Welcome back. Today we have a new episode and we have a special episode. We have a barn find of a 1980s Mercedes. Some say the best ever made. Let's check out what car we have today. This is a 1983 Mercedes 280 SE. It's been in the barn for about 10 years. They knew it was running when they stored it away. So today we'll find out if we can make this car running again and maybe even get back some of its glory. Let's check out in the video.
We got air in all 4 tires, so we should be able to push it out now.
The mean machine.
It's out.
It's out.
I think if we put it a little bit more forward, a little bit to the right, then we're in a nice spot.
Naar rechts?
Yes, a little bit to the right. Yeah, that's nice.
Okay.
Right.
Welcome.
This car is cool, man.
Yeah, I really love the 80s designs. I actually want one myself one day, but I want a coupe, SEC. I really like these cars.
This is a cool car, man.
It's just nostalgic.
It's just such a good era of cars.
Yeah, I think it's one of the best. I've never driven one actually.
How's the inside?
It's okay.
Oh, we got green leather. Oh, that's crazy.
Over here, yeah.
Yeah. With the Audi I had, the 100, we made the video with the 200. My Audi also had colored leather, but it was blue. I had a blue car with blue leather. And this is a green car with green leather.
The first time sitting in a 1980s S-Class. Oh, it's a big steering wheel. Really big steering wheel. Heated seats.
Really?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh yeah. Only one side or? Oh no. Huh? How does this work? So it's automatic. We got aircon.
Yeah, I think no, we don't. No, we don't.
No.
There's no more button.
It's cool air.
Last maintenance was 2011. So 13 years ago. Probably last one.
We got some temperature gauges, some fuel, some oil.
Hoe gaan we die motorkap loskrijgen dan, Henkie?
This is crazy. And the latch for the hood.
Ja.
That's the handbrake, I think.
Ja, sowieso, ja.
Mercedes.
Oh god. My dad would slap me right now.
Oh yeah, come over to your side, let's see. Yeah, that's a good question. Sometimes it's underneath the steering column, but I don't think this one has it. It's a Ford thing. Where's this from your seat?
Yeah.
Okay. And when you push the pedal, what happens?
This one?
Yeah?
Handbrake?
Maybe?
Yeah?
Yeah, okay. So that's handbrake. This is an air duct. So if you watch this far, if you know where the handle is, put it in the comments so you can help us.
It's no fourth.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna Google it. We were just not looking right. I didn't even saw it in Google. Over here it is, I think. Yes.
Ah, right next to the handbrake.
Yeah. Also dark green leather. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Oh no, no, no. Time for some magic. 6 cylinders, 185 horsepower. If we get it running. Yeah. This is also new for me.
Next question.
Oh, two-sided.
That's a strange place for it.
Butts. Okay, so this is it. Okay, okay.
First impression.
Well, not too bad.
So first things first, the engine is in there, so that's a good start. We're not missing an engine.
Okay. Okay.
So we got oil.
That's a good start.
That's a good start. So what kind of engine do we have?
A 6-cylinder with 185 horsepower. It's a 280 SE. You also had a 5-liter engine, 500 SE, a 420 you had also, I think, 4.2 liter, 420. And in USA you had also the 560, I think, 5.6 liter V8.
So we got an inline 6, no turbos.
No, just
And we got a carburetor,
yeah.
I think,
Yes.
behind this airbox. Let's check how the air filter looks like.
Okay.
Oh! What is this? It's kit, I think.
Yeah, I don't really recognize this.
I think the airbox might have been broken or something and they tried to fix it with some kit, or is it just an oil substance? You
No.
dare to touch it?
Yeah, it's hard.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Kinda
So
hard.
it's a nice custom fix. Air suspension is pumped up. So I believe the battery is removed. What would be the original place for the battery?
It's like this. Normally it's a battery this size. Over here, this plate.
Ah, this is loose. Ah, okay. Alright. So we need a battery.
It's from the Clio. It's a small battery, but just to see if we can spark it up. Yeah. Let's see if we have electrics
Take a look inside.
in the car. It actually sits really.
Can already feel the suspension and
Yeah.
the seat. Let's see.
Yes, we have power.
There are lights.
Ultimate check. Oh!
Oh yeah.
So we have no gas, and I'm quite happy with that because we don't have to drain it.
We don't have to drain it. Hopefully the tank is not rusted. Well, maybe we should just put some fuel in and just try it.
Yeah.
What's the worst that can happen?
Well, nothing will break, so I hope. It's a Mercedes.
Boom, 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 boom. Let's check it out.
Yes. Haha! Mercedes.
Mercedes.
Why do I always need to do the fuel part?
Willem is our fuel guy. So we borrowed the battery from the Clio, put some juice on it. Let's take the power out. So we have the best chance it will start.
First started with a normal setup, kind of. And maybe we need some brake cleaner, but we'll check out. Ready?
You going for it?
Okay.
We are in park. Yeah,
Still no
good.
fuel on the...
Pump the throttle a few times. Try again. Let's check if we got fuel. So first thing we want to check if we get fuel to the carbs. We take off the housing and see if we get any gas at the engine. So we found out it's not just a normal carb. It's
kind of injection.
Injection with a carb or something. We're not familiar with this engine, but
Probably it's injection. Mercedes. Mercedes.
but is there a fuel pump running when we are on?
I don't hear it. But maybe if I will put some more fuel in it for sure.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Well, it's not gonna start right now, because if you look here, the cord from the distributor and the vonkenmaker.
Bobina.
So that's broken. That's first thing, but that doesn't mean we get fuel, but that's already a problem we should fix. So the cable was broken, but we made this contraption. It's not the safest, because there's pretty high amounts of voltage that go to this cable. But for testing purpose, if it starts, we can use this for now. So this one goes in here. We'll put it on screen, what it is.
So we're sure we had no spark.
Yeah,
So maybe
I was pretty sure.
maybe we have a spark right now. So that could be a problem.
Maybe that would help. I'm not smelling.
Any gas?
Yeah, maybe. I'm not so sure. But I'm also not so sure how this works. So
We're gonna check it.
let's try again.
Heya!
What?
Nice!
That might just have been all. Just that cable.
Nice! Should we check
Smells
if
a little bit
fruity? Transmission works. We were not sure if it would work, but
okay, nice.
she wants to go.
German Autobahn. A little throttle.
Yeah, I was trying, but it kills. It kills the engine,
Yeah?
the throttle, but maybe we need to put
Yeah, we need to put the stuff back. All right, I think we're ready to put it outside.
yeah, we put the original air filter cap back. So I guess it will run smoother right now. Not
Let's
sure.
check that out.
Oh,
Take it outside, Willem.
okay, Koen.
Turn on the lights. Yeah.
We have power steering. want to drive this thing.
This car is cool.
I want to drive it.
This thing is cool, man. It's like a time capsule. Time machine. Heya!
Heya!
It runs! That was pretty easy.
Yeah, actually it was quite easy. It runs amazing. At the first we had a bit of dips in the RPM, but now it's actually starting to run real smooth.
I was just letting them hear how good it runs.
Yeah, it's like a diesel.
It's pretty good. We drove it in and out the garage. Our first meters in an S-Class.
A 9080s, it was amazing. I love these cars, really, I do.
Hopefully many more kilometers to come.
Yeah.
To drive in this S-Class and maybe some other S-Classes. Would be nice.
If you want to see a deep clean video of this car, let us know in the comments.
We could do a lot more with this car, but let us know. Should we, or do we put it back in the barn and that's it? Let us know.
We brought back the glory to the 9080s S-Class.
This is gonna start its second life. Heya!
Let's hear the Mercedes door one more time.
Mercedes.
Mercedes.
Heya!
Heya!